This 2008 Toyota Tundra 4x4 is brought to you by Eddbarry Motors. Another great 4x4 truck from Adam at Eddbarry Motors. High PM, but it is a Toyota and they run forever if looked after. Comes with lots of features, plus an aluminum wrap, fresh oil change, windshield wipers, rear differential service, wiper motors, great 4x4 ready for work or play. Lot and amp, number 39, S of safety features and plenty of power from the 5.7-liter V8. Talk to Adam to arrange a viewing or a test drive. Follow us on Facebook and view our Twitter, Instagram, YouTube or our website. Visit us at eddbarrymotors.com.